Okay, what's up, my virgins and simps? Yeah, we're doing Dragon Ball this time. Ain't that something? So today is an advanced review of how do I enable options? What to hold? Okay, sorry about that. Okay, I think this is bug. Okay, so we're doing a review of Wow Money episode 2. The reason is because I have a lots of workload over the coming few weeks because a huge workload on my job is actually coming, and that's something that is going to hamper my schedule. So before anything else, I will announce yung mga shows that will get preempted or move when it comes to the reviews. So the BMX review of Mao Money episode 2 is today. Then Hiram na Sandali review. This is supposed to be scheduled on Friday. But yeah, we're going to move it on Saturday instead, January 25. So after Saturday night's main event, I will be doing the review for Hiram na Sandali. Next one is Belias. This is going to be published on February 2, Sunday. So anything goes there. Yeah. So Wow Money episode 2. What can I say? Actually, last time, 2 weeks ago, I posted the review of Wow Money episode 1, and I kind of roasted it for being cliche, for being parang corny yung dating, okay? But today is a brand new day, okay? Today is like redemption ng Wow Money, okay? Bakit redemption? Okay, kasi kung tutuusin, compared last time that Wow Money was 2 weeks ago, when Wow Money was produced, yung kanyang first episode, mahina siya. Okay? Anong mahina? It's cliche. Corny yung jokes. Why is Never mind. Why is Gohan not allowed to transform to Ultimate? Mahina yung jokes, corny. We resort to fish jokes and the likes, okay? Pero ngayon, this is something different. The jokes are actually funny now, okay? So what do we mean by actually funny? Yung first segment dito is
the first match is about to begin.
Is between Aaron Carmelo and hindi ko kilala yung kasama niya. So yung kasama ni Aaron, yung babae, sinabi niya, she is offering sex on parang tier. So 500 is sa kama, 300 sa papag, 100 sa damuhan. And what Aaron Carmelo did is nagbigay siya 700 pesos. So wow, 700. That is parang galante masyado, di ba? Yung pala, dahil di ba sinabi di ba, tig 100 yung sa damuhan. Gusto niya 7 rounds sa damuhan. Oh my god, I'm kidding me. And yun. Gusto ko yung natawa ako dun. So, sabi mo pa, nagulat siya, sabi ni Aaron, kaya mo yan. Kaya mo yan, pagtyagaan mo lang. Okay? And that was pretty funny. That's the first laugh na nakita ko sa Wow Money episode 2. It made me laugh more on Wow Money today than 2 weeks ago. And, oh my god, I'm getting my ass whooped by Roshi. Okay. Then may second joke dito, which is a longer running segment. So may director, si si Jano Gibbs, yung director, si Jano Depp. Okay? So, ang ginawa ni Jano Depp, siya ay nagdidirect ng parang skit kasama si Chloe Jenna sa si Errol Carmelo. And, how do I charge? Pagdating sa skit, gusto niya is, ayun, pagkapasok ni Chloe, maniningil siya ng utang kay, mangingil siya ng utang kay, kay Errol, and then that's it. Kaso, may nakaupo dun sa couch. Lalaki, di natin kilala sino. Basta lalaki. At akala ni Jano Gibbs, siya yung producer. Okay? Siya yung producer ng, ng pelikula na to. At syempre, kung producer, ikaw director, syempre susundin mo yung sinasabi ng, di ba? Ng producer. Kasi siya yung may hawak ng talent or something. At ang nangyari, paano pa mag-transform? At ang nangyari, sabi ng nung producer ko, kailangan mo, tawag doon, kaya nyo alisin yung damit nyo. So gusto niya magubad. So nagubad si Jenna sa si Errol. Okay, nagubad sila. And sabi nagubad, tapos anong nangyari? After magubad, edi take 2 sa skit. Ayaw na naman nung nakaupong producer ko, gusto niya tanggalin yung bra ni Jenna. So kasi para daw immersion. Which is naman, fair. Fair, di ba? Okay, super saiyan tayo. So pagdating sa immersion, yun. At unti-unti nagiging sexy yung pelikula. Okay, hindi naman sinasadya ni Jano Gibbs maging sexy yung pelikula. Kulang pa yun, pinahubad nung nakaupo yung buong directing cast kasama si Sahara Bernales. Andun si Sahara tapos ayun. Nagubad sila. Tapos ayun, tapos tanggalin daw yung bra, di ba? Ayun. Then dumating yung totoong producer habang nag-roll yung camera, si Nico Loco. Tinanong niya, what is going on here? This is a children's show. Tapos children's show pala yung Tapos yung nakaupo, driver lang pala ni Nico Loco. Natawa, naloko silang lahat eh. Okay. That was something na di ko na yeah, it was a funny skit. It's worth the laugh. And then we go to Wow Mani, okay? So there's no Indiana Jones, there's no cringe fest dito. It's just I think this is one of the perfect yung pacing ng comedy dito sa para mag-transform kay Vegeta. Vegeta tayo. Gallic Gun Fire! Okay. So when it comes to the pacing, okay naman. Okay, Battle of the Brawlers na ang mga nila dito si Raimundo, tapos si Salome Salvi sa isang team, and Chris Imperial and Jara Laksamana dun sa kabila. Which is fine. Di ko pa nakikita yung Raimundo sa isang bold sa BMX eh. Kaya di ko siya ma-judge sa pero alam ko si Jahara sa kasi si Sahara sa kasi Zara Laksamana, Sahara tuloy. Zara Laksamana sa si Christian Perez, alam ko sa private tutor sila yung nagsama dun eh. So, yeah. It was a good it was perfect. Okay. So, ang unang joke ata dito, sino yung senador na nag-number 1 sa 2022? Eh, siyempre, siyempre, sinabi si Robert Padilla yung tamang sagot, di ba? In real life. Pero ang tama naman, ang sabi ni Jano Gibbs is si Rustom, Carlos Padilla, referee Carlos Padilla, which is yung normal na trend dito sa yung nagkakamali si Jano Gibbs sa tamang sagot. I think that's part of the laps. Now, Yung next segment, difficult route is, alam ko yung TV. Ayan. Meaning ng TV, television. And ang ano dito, syempre, yung super obvious na answer dito is tuberculosis. As nauuwi sila, telepathy, telekinesis, yun. Syempre, mali na naman. Syempre, ayan, nag-alis sila ng pang-ibaba. And nag-alis sila ng pang-ibaba. Tapos, nauwi na doon sa tamang ano, sa hard round, which is ano yung pinapahid dapat nag-ano. And the Christie Imperial said sperm. Sperm daw yung malagkit na pinapahid habang naliligo ka. Katiri ang and that made me chuckle, okay? Yeah, this is what yung mga ano, mga green jokes na dapat ano, ito yung expectation ko sa isang mature gag show, okay? If they can't do something na tulad ng The Man Show, wag kang corny. Kasi yung last week, walang kaano eh. Okay? That was yeah, this is like one of their better showings. They got 2 weeks of 2 weeks break in between. I think nagre-refresh yung kanilang creative mind. Mas maganda talaga to kaysa sa ano. And forgive me to say, I think I judged too early dun sa review ko ng episode 1 ng Wow Money last week. So, allow me to state na yeah, this is a good show. It's too early to tell last 2 weeks ago. But now, I'm convinced Wow Money is actually going to be something, okay? This show, I think the producers listen. Yeah, the producers listen na ano sila, nakita nila yung mali dun sa last episode and they adjusted. They made it funny. Okay? So, yeah. Now, since di pa naman tapos, we get this Wow Money is still until June of 2025. We have no choice. We can't rate this yet. So, we still have a long way to go. But the long way is actually good. Ayan. It's actually looking a little bit promising. That's my review of Wow Money episode 2. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon. We are nearing 10,000 subscribers. I appreciate it. Anything that would compliment on this anything that will help contribute to the channel is pretty much appreciated. Okay, so yeah, this is your boy, the God Gamer. Good night, and good night, my virgins and simps. Sana tulog na yung mga bata.